If you're a beginner car salesman or car saleswoman, these are my best tips for starting out. Names are important. Remember everyone's name from all your customers and make sure you shake every hand. You don't know if that grandma that's in the background is going to be the one co-signing for the loan. If it's a husband and wife and you're only speaking to the husband, the wife might get offended and vice versa. So names are very important. Getting a copy of their driver's license is also key. In case you forget their name, you can refer to their copy of their driver's license. But remembering their name is the first step in the sales process and building rapport. Every customer you meet, you want to collect their contact information. Last thing you want to do is have a customer leave the dealership and you don't have a way to follow up with them and contact them. And that's why you want to collect their contact information. You want to master the follow-up. Master the follow-up is key. You want to make sure you're a beast on the phone, and you can refer to my phone training video that I'm going to link in the description below. But you want to be able to follow up with customers, not be afraid to call them. You want to make sure you call them until they tell you they're not buying or they've bought elsewhere. Mastering the follow-up is a big step in becoming a successful car salesman. Tell a story to your customer and get results. You want to paint a picture in your customer's head. So generally what I'll do if a customer is inquiring about the payments on a certain vehicle, I'll just say, hey, my last customer, they put $2,000 down and their payments were around $150 bi-weekly. They had a trade-in, so it was a little different, but you'll be in that same price range. Paint a picture for your customer and they'll get that vision of them purchasing the vehicle in their head. Ask questions to your customers and listen to what your customers say. If you ask the right questions, most of your customers will generally explain to you what they want to do with their purchase and how you're going to sell them a car. The answers the customers provide to your questions, you're going to establish what their pain points are. And in your sales process, you want to solve those pain points with their next vehicle. For example, if the customer says, oh, my current car is so bad on fuel, I pay too much in gas. That's a pain point that you want to solve, and you want to find them a fuel efficient vehicle. Solve the pain points, get results. Don't be afraid to get the high hanging fruit. That's getting the customers that are hard to work for. The customer that always comes and kicks tires, or that customer that emails the dealership once a week and nobody wants to reply to them and they're all saying, this guy always has questions but he never buys. Those type of customers are the ones that you want to take control of, and you want to show that you're going to work hard to earn that customer's business, because that's exactly what that customer is looking for. He's going to buy from the guy who follows up with them every day and goes after his business. So make sure you guys are willing to pick the highest fruit and be the hardest working person in the dealership. You want to always be training and always be bettering yourself. Watch videos on YouTube, take courses, do product knowledge, study the competition, mystery shop. All those type of things are gonna make you a better salesman. And you guys can follow me for more car sales tips. And I'm gonna link my free Cars Unlocked Masterclass in the description below. This is my do's and don'ts of car sales, and it will at least get you started. Last thing, one of the most important lessons I learned when I was a beginner is you want to do every single one of your deliveries. Your delivery is the last point of contact for all your customers, and then you're going to go to the follow-up stage. But you want to end on a high note, and you want to be the last face that that customer sees when they do the delivery, so when they're coming back, they think about you and they remember you. So don't skip out on your deliveries, don't get someone else to do it. Come and make sure you do all your deliveries. Those are your tips for you beginners out there. Good luck, guys. Make sure you guys check out my Cars Unlocked Masterclass. It's in the description below. It's also going to be right here for you guys. I'm launching my Cars Unlocked Academy to help car sales trainers learn from the mistakes and learn the skills that took me forever to learn, guys. So make sure you guys complete the training, and we'll see you in the next video.